Welcome to Queen's Alchemy. Today I'm so excited because we're going to be creating these cookies that I call super cookies. They don't include any eggs, no milk, no flour, no sugar. It's going to be a real treat, very healthy, and I'm excited to get started. So come on, let's go. Looking for a delicious and nutrient-packed snack? These healthy, veganish super cookies are the perfect balance of crunch, natural sweetness, and warm spices. No flour, no eggs, or dairy. The kitchen tools used in this video, like cutting tools, cutting boards, or cookware, is listed in the description below. As an Amazon affiliate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Now, let's get started making these delicious cookies. You will preheat your oven to 350. Add a small pan so that you can roast your peanuts and your walnuts on top of the stove. Add them into the pan, toss them around until they begin to brown. Now that they're brown, you're going to let them cool, and then you'll add them into the chopper, or you can use a food processor if you choose. Now you go ahead and manually chop these up until they're completely fine. It could take a little longer, food processor would be quicker. There you are. Finely chopped nuts as you add it to the bowl. You're also going to add in your almonds. You're going to add in the cashews and the pumpkin seeds. Now we're going to add in some sesame seeds. All the measurements will be in the description. We're going to add in some cinnamon and the ginger. There you are. Now we're going to take and toss it around and mix all the mixture in together so that it coats everything evenly. There we are. And it already looks so good. Now we're going to take and set it aside. We're going to grab your dried cranberries and add them to the cutting board, and we're going to chop them up. Now that you chopped them all up, you're going to add those to the bowl as well. And then we'll go ahead and do your orange zest. We're going to grate the orange zest into the bowl. Looks great. Now we're going to add in our honey. Our honey is our binder. We're going to go ahead and toss that around until it gets that cookie dough type consistency, as you can see. Now we're going to crumble up some parchment paper and add it to a pan and oil and spread it out. Then we're going to take a 3-inch ring and begin to create the cookies. You put the filling in and then you pack it down like so, and there you are. And you do it until you have your cookies created. Now you're going to put them in the oven and bake them for about 10-15 minutes. Check it around the 10-minute mark. Now we have our nice freshly baked cookies that will sit for about 10-15 minutes before adding in the dark chocolate, as you see I'm doing here, and you coat it all the way through so that it's fully coated, and you do each cookie individually. Looks so good. Now you're going to take and add in the sea salt. There we have it, the healthy, veganish super cookies. Let's taste these great cookies that we made and see how they taste. so delicious. These taste so good. Definitely you should try it. No sugar, no flour, no eggs. Beautiful vegan cookies. Delicious. As always, watch my other videos and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.